Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform simple rainbow flick. To perform simple rainbow flick, make sure that the player has at least 4 stars in dribbling. Next, while you are running to the right side of the pitch, simply push the right analog left, right. If you are running to left side of the pitch, push the analog right, left. And that's basically it. It works better after you finish sprint. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.